Here at Brookhaven Instruments, we're pleased to announce a new measurement mode for NanoBrook instruments called DLSC. DLSC is a method that uses DLS scattering measurements to fit an unknown concentration to a calibration curve. It starts with a set of reference solutions of the unknown sample's same material. The reference solutions parameters are entered, then the measurement is started. The software will automatically prompt you for the samples. The software will control the laser power and take a DLS measurement, then move on to the next sample. For a sample with an unknown concentration, the measurements are taken much the same way. Particle Solution software makes analyzing data at a glance easy using the two-variable graph tool. The software automatically plots the known concentration measurements, fits a line to them, and then places the unknown measurements on this fit. The DLSC measurement mode expands the capabilities of the NanoBrook light scattering instrument to include particle concentrations by looking at scattering intensity. To obtain this capability, contact Brookhaven Instruments today.